Good morning all of you. In last lecture, I already discussed about the sources of electricity, electric main, potential difference. But in this lecture, we discuss about, my third lecture, I discuss about electrical cells. Electrical cells, which are the chemicals, which are the electrolyte, in which chemical energy converted into electrical energy. They have the chemicals like dry cell. We use the pencil cell at home. We use the pencil cell at home, which have chemicals which converted into electrical energy. Actually, cell are two types. One is a electrolytic cell, one is a electrolytic cell, and one is a electrochemical cell. In electrochemical cell, chemical energy converted into electrical energy. In electrolytic cell, electrical energy converted into chemical energy. By using electricity, you break the chemicals into ions. So chemical electric cells. Electric cell is made up of chemicals electrolyte. What is electrolyte? Electrolyte like a salt, sodium chloride, calcium chloride, which when you put in the water, it forms the ions. NaCl when you put in the water, it gives Na positive and Cl negative. Same, calcium chloride when you put in the water, it gives Ca2 positive and calcium 1, chlorine 1 negative, Cl 1 negative. Same acid also, the electrolyte is there. HCl, when you put in water, it gives H positive and Cl negative ion. Same base is also electrolyte, NaOH. When put in water, it gives Na positive and OH negative. You already know which give OH negative, that is a base, which give H positive, that is a acid. So when you take the salt, electrolyte in the cell, they have the chemical energy converted into electrical energy in the electric cell. These types of cell is called electrochemical cell. Yes. When the chemical reaction takes place, an electric potential difference is produced. Electric potential difference is produced. For example, I already told about the electric potential. Already told. If one side have the more electron, other side the less electrons, the potential difference is created. So when positive negative is there, the positive ions move towards the negative and negative ions move towards the positive. That's why the current produced is there. Electricity is there. Types of cell according to the size of the cell. Button cell, which is a very small in nature, very small, used in the wristwatches. And any small LEDs, toys also used by the students. Yes, watches also, calculators also, dry cell. The pencil cell, which we use in the torches. Yes. Another, actually in torch, semi-solid electrolyte is there. Not complete solid, not complete liquid. Primary cell and secondary cell. Cell are the two types. That is the primary cell and secondary cell. Primary cells are the non-rechargeable cell, use and throw. But secondary cells are the rechargeable in nature. You used again and again. In this lecture, we discuss about the dry cell, students. Dry cell. First of all, see the construction, then working. See, this is the chamber. Yes, this is the chamber. Outside plastic insulation is there, in which a brand name is there, like Everready. And inside that chamber is made from the zinc, which is a negative in charge, working as a cathode electrode. And here inside the carbon electrode is there, which is a positive, act as an anode. Due to positive, negative, the chemical present inside near the carbon electrode. This is the muslin bag is there, which is the porous in nature. And inside the muslin bag, which thing is there? Magnesium dioxide, plus carbon in the form of charcoal. And in this chamber, outside you take the semi-solid paste, ammonium chloride and plaster of Paris, POP. And this chamber is a zinc, already told. When the positive negative is there, due to which chemical reaction happen. When the cell is connected to the bulb, the chemical reaction taking place in the cell produce the current which make the bulb glow. Dry cell produce about 1.5 volt